What is up, citizens of the internet? FireyPaperMario here, and welcome back to another do-it-yourself video, which is involving transferring all your Nintendo Switch clips and screenshots that you recorded down to your mobile phone and tablet devices. Just in case you want to store them outside of posting them on social media, that's tutorials for you. Not only that, but you can store them in any type of storage drive, but let's not get to that later. Let's just start by opening the camera app on my phone and go to album on my Switch and select one of the 11 videos and clips I have on my Switch. Let's just say I want to choose this one that I recorded from Paper Mario Origami King. Look at the clip or screenshot and press A and go straight to the smartphone option and scan the QR code with your camera and connect to the Switch's Wi-Fi network, which is gonna be quick, like so. Then exit to the camera app and then scan the second QR code to access the site where you can download your Switch capture or screenshot. And then hit download as soon as I get this shit ready. It's downloaded and bam, it's on your phone, archived. And now that we have our Switch clip downloaded to our phone, we can either save it on our phone or tablet forever, or store it in a cloud system, or put it to a PC or Mac. Which I'm gonna go with the storage system instead because it's easier. Okay, now we're gonna move my Switch capture from my phone and store it to my Google Drive. You can do that with iOS devices via iCloud too, which is simpler than that, but let's just go to my Google Drive, tap the GIFs, memes, and videos file folder, and select Nintendo Switch Captures, and then let's press the arrow button and upload that video to our Google Drive. While this is uploading into my Google Drive, you can, if you want, rename it something else. You can name it something funny, something cringy, or keep it the same. You can decide. And the video is now uploaded to your Google Drive or iCloud. And now I'm going to show how to download from your Google Drive to your PC and store it in USB thumb drives or portable drives. So stay tuned. See you soon. Okay, so now comes the fun part. Saving my Switch capture that I just put on my Google Drive into a USB thumb drive. So let's insert this. Minimize this. And now let's go to our Google Drive. Here's the video, which I recaptioned as "You better run, coward." I know it's cringe, so let's download it from my drive. Wait for it. Okay, so let's close this. Let's go to downloads. Cut and paste this to my phone folder for Nintendo Switch captures that I'm gonna save up. And paste this. And bam, you have saved one of your Switch captures archived forever. So, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.